friends, welcome to Net Chemistry. We were discussing about organometallic chemistry, carbonyl and carbonylate ion we have seen, right? Today I am going to tell about nitrosyl ligand, how nitrosyl will behave, okay? If you see the nitrosyl complexes, there are two types of nitrosyl. One is linear nitrosyl and bend type, okay? In this linear nitrosyl, if see, nitrosyl will give 3 electrons. Linear nitrosyl is 3 electron donor, but bend nitrosyl, if you see, it is 1 electron donor, okay? Nitrosyl, how many electrons are there? 7 plus 8, 15 electrons are there, right? So nitrosyl structure, if you see, N double bond O, oxygen is having 6 electron, right? And nitrogen is having 5 electron, right? This is the structure. So nitrosyl, linear nitrosyl means metal will take first this electron from this nitrosyl and it is forming a negative charge, and nitrogen is become positively charged. Nitrogen is having a positive charge on it. Then what will happen? This electron will shift to here and this will again donate another 2 electron. So M minus 2, it will be bonding to the nitrosyl. Then what will happen? Triple bond O plus. Compared to nitrogen, oxygen is highly electronegative. So this positive charge oxygen will not prefer. Then what will happen? Back donation will happen. Back donation means this bond will be shifting, right? Then what will happen? Metal will donate back its electron to the nitrogen and this bond shifting will be happening. So totally this nitrogen will give 3 electrons to the metal, and if you see N triple bond O plus you are getting, right? So if this is the case, this linear nitrosyl is in sp hybridization, okay? But coming to the bent nitrosyl case, what will happen? And if you see the case of bent nitrosyl, this only single electron will be giving to the metal and forming a bond. So this will be sp2 hybridization, okay? Bent nitrosyl only single electron. If it is the case of linear nitrosyl, all the 3 electrons it will give to the metal and form. This is what nitrosyl will behave. And if you see a question paper, if it is simply nitrosyl means it will be always linear nitrosyl complex. Bent nitrosyl complexes are not forming in a greater extent. Always 3 electron donor linear nitrosyl complexes are forming. Clear? We will see how to prepare the nitrosyl complex. If you see, directly nitrosyl complexes cannot be prepared. If you want to prepare the nitrosyl complex, you have to take metallic carbonyl, then you have to add nitrosyl, okay? So what you have to do, you have to take any of the carbonyl, metallic carbonyl, then you have to treat with nitrosyl, then you will be getting the nitrosyl complex. While preparing the nitrosyl complex, 2 things you have to be taken care. One, maximum number of CO you should keep, okay? You cannot replace all the COs. You have to keep the maximum number of COs for stability, and you have to check for the 18 electron rule. So I am writing FeCO2 NO2. This is the nitrosyl complex we are preparing, and you can calculate the 18 electron rule. 2 COs we have kept and 2 nitrosyl also. So you can check 18 electron rule. Iron will give 8 electrons, right? Carbonyl will donate 2 electrons. So 2 into 2, 4. Plus this is linear nitrosyl complex, right? All practically, if you see, always linear nitrosyl will be forming the greater extent, okay? So this is a linear nitrosyl complex. 3 into 2, right? 3 into 2, 6. So it is obeying the 18 electron rule. Second example is, see, if you see here, I have CO2, CO8, I have taken maximum number of COs I am keeping, only 1 NO. So you can calculate the 18 electron rule, 9 plus 6, right? 3 into 2, 6 plus 3. How much you are getting? 18 electron rule. It is obeying 18 electron rule, right? MnCO5 minus. This is not carbonyl, it is carbonylate ion, right? So I am adding nitrosyl. What you are getting? Manganese is 7 electron, right? 4 into 2, 8 electron plus 3. So you will be getting 18 electron, right? This also obeying the 18 electron rule. How many electrons it will be donating? Eta 5 electron, right? 5 plus rhenium is 7 electron and CO2 will give 4 electrons, right? Nitrosyl will be 3 electron donor, right? Then it will be 19 electron, then one positive charge that you have to minus, then it will be 18 electron. So this is the way you have to prepare the nitrosyl complex. You have to take metallic carbonyls and treat with NO. And see here one NO plus we have taken. NO plus is identical to CO, right? NO is having 15 electron, NO is having 15 electron, right? So NO plus is having 14 electron, same like a CO. CO is carbon is having 6 plus 8, right? 14 electron. So NO plus and CO are isoelectronic species. Clear? Next is bent nitrosyl complex. We have seen linear nitrosyl complex. One of the best example of bent nitrosyl complex is a derivative of Vaska's complex. Okay, what is Vaska's complex? It is an iridium complex which is having 4 coordination. Okay, PPH3 toy CO Cl. This is Vaska's complex. If you are calculating the number of electrons present, how many electrons you are getting? 9 plus iridium is cobalt, rhodium, iridium, right? 9 electrons. Triphenyl phosgene, this will give 2 electrons. This ligand is a 2 electron donor. So 2 are there, 2 into 2, 4 electrons you will be getting. Carbonyl is 2 electron donor and halogen is 1 electron donor, right? So this is a 16 electron complex, 4 coordination complex with only 4 coordination, right? 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4 coordination complex. We will see it will be reacting with NO plus BF4 minus. Okay, this is the complex forming. What is the coordination here? How many ligands are there? 2 PPH3 is there, 1 carbonyl, 1 nitrosyl and 1 chlorine. So it is a 5 coordination complex, expected to be the structure trigonal bipyramidal. Okay, so coordination number has changed to from 4 to 5 and we will calculate the 18 electron rule. Iridium is having 9 electron, right? This is having, this will donate 4 electron. 2 is there, 2 into 2, 4, and carbonyl will give 2 electron and nitrosyl, since it is a bent nitrosyl, it will give 1 electron and halogen group 1 electron, right? How many it will be coming? Plus 1, 10, plus 7, 17 electron. Here one positive charge is there, so it will be minusing, then it will be getting, this is a 16 electron complex. This derivative is a 16 electron complex. This is the only known bent nitrosyl complex. So we will see the mixed nitrosyl complexes. Okay, so both bent and linear nitrosyl example I am writing. So this is an example of both bent and linear nitrosyl. You can calculate the 18 electron rule. Ruthenium, if you see iron ruthenium osmium, this will donate 2 electron, 2 ligands are there, so it will be 4, and here 2 nitrosyl is there, one is bent and one is linear. So one will give 3 electrons and other will give only 1 electron, like that you have to take. Then chlorine will give 1 electron and here one positive charge will be there. How much you are getting? You will be getting 17 minus 1 positive charge. So you will be getting this also a 16 electron complex. Okay, this is what all about bent nitrosyl. So next is bonding description in nitrosyl complex. If you have seen carbonyl ligand case, there is endone and bridged, right? The same way endone nitrosyl complexes are there. Okay, endone nitrosyl. How you will be identifying endone nitrosyl? See, IR vibrational frequency nu bar you will be getting IR vibrational frequency. Based on this only we are getting the bonding description. Okay, here if you see nu bar is equal to 1672 centimeter, and if you see bridge on nitrosyl, okay, bridge on nitrosyl means how it will be coming, metal and nitrosyl will come like this, right? Nitrosyl will come like this. So if this is the case, IR vibrational frequency will be decreasing, right? It will be decreasing to 1505 centimeter inverse. This much it will be reducing. From this experimental observation only we are predicting whether the nitrosyl is end-on or bridged. One very good example for bridged nitrosyl complex we will see. If you see this complex, only an example of bridged nitrosyl complex. So this is what all about nitrosyl ligand. Hope you understand it well. To be continued. Thank you for watching.